Hello, friends. It's Learn Alphabet. A is for apple. A, P, P, L, E, apple. B is for ball. B, A, L, L, ball. C is for cat. C, A, T, cat. D is for duck. D, U, C, K, duck. E is for elephant. E, L, E, P, H, A, N, T. Elephant. F is for fish. F, I, S, H, fish. G is for giraffe. G, I, R, A, F, F, E. Giraffe. H is for hen. H, E, N, hen. I is for ice cream. I, C, E, C, R, E, A, M. Ice cream. J is for jelly. J, E, L, L, Y. Jelly. K is for kite. K, I, T, E, kite. L is for lion. L, I, O, N, lion. M is for monkey. M, O, N, K, E, Y. Monkey. N is for nest. N, E, S, T, nest. O is for orange. O, R, A, N, G, E. Orange. P is for parrot. P, A, R, R, O, T. Parrot. Q is for queen. Q, U, E, E, N. Queen. R is for rainbow. R, A, I, N, B, O, W. Rainbow. S is for sun. S, U, N, sun. T is for train. T, R, A, I, N, train. U is for umbrella. U, M, B, R, E, L, L, A. Umbrella. V is for vase. V, A, S, E, vase. W is for whale. W, H, A, L, E. Whale. X is for xylophone. X, Y, L, O, P, H, O, N, E, xylophone. Y is for yacht. Y, A, C, H, T, yacht. Z is for zebra. Z, E, B, R, A, zebra. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.